Hello and welcome back to Data Cloud Now. I'm currently in Cannes, where I'm delighted to be joined by Denise Persson, CMO at Snowflake. Denise, such a pleasure to have you back on the show here today.
Super excited to be with you here, Ryan, in Cannes, at the Cannes Lions.
It's absolutely stunning here, Denise. You're coming off the heels of Snowflake Summit, which was an absolute San Francisco takeover, and the buzz has followed the AI Data Cloud here to Cannes Lions. What are you hearing?
I mean, the summit this year was all about enterprise AI, and we're having the same conversations here in Cannes as well. I mean, AI, generative AI is very much at the center of the conversation here as well, and how it's going to impact advertising and marketing for the next, decade. And there's clearly so much opportunities in this segment.
Denise, core to Snowflake is always putting the customer first, and you have long been a champion of activating at the world's largest event. Why is Cannes Lions such a nexus for not only Snowflake, but also the media and advertising ecosystems?
Yeah, I mean, first of all, being here, I mean, you have the greatest minds in the creative world, all here in Cannes this week. But also the media segment is a very big segment for us. It's actually our second largest, segment. So we have many of our customers here. The whole partner ecosystem in the media space around Snowflake is here this week as well. So this is an opportunity just to bring everyone together and look at how are we solving these problems in AI, together.
Very much the power of the ecosystem. Denise, for the audience watching here, what advice would you like to give them on steps that they can take to future-proof their businesses for long-term success?
Yeah, I mean, the key thing also when you talk about AI, right? Everyone talk about an AI strategy, but you cannot have an AI strategy before you have a data strategy. I mean, data is a fuel, for AI. So I think that's the advice for everyone. Make sure that you have the right data foundation so you can take full advantage of AI, in the future.
I'm so glad you mentioned AI. As you look towards the future, how do you see this evolving in the year to come?
I mean, now it's all about looking at what kind of efficiency gains can I get from AI? How can I do more with less? And that's what marketing has always been all about, right? How do I continue to optimize? But now it's more about looking ahead. What can AI do for us, in the future? And in marketing, things like, hyper-personalization, that's going to be, a big use case. How can I augment the creative process, for instance? How can I do more programmatic, media buying? I mean, those are the big, use cases that everyone is looking at.
Denise, I want to bring it back to Cannes Lions. You had quite a busy schedule between panels and dinners. Can you share a little bit about how your week has been here at Cannes so far?
Yeah, I've met with a lot of customers here. I have been on a few panels. I've been attending some of the other sessions as well here. I mean, it's a great place to learn about what's going on. And I'm definitely coming back next year.
An exciting next chapter. Denise, what's next for you and the Snowflake team?
Well, at Summit 2 weeks ago, we had a massive number of new product announcements, especially when it comes to enterprise AI. So our focus now is about taking all those new innovations to our customers around the world. And right after the summer, I mean, we're getting back on the Summit World tour again, starting in Asia. We're going to make 23 stops around the world, and it's going to be all around enterprise AI.
Looking forward to it. Thank you again for joining me on the program here
Thanks,
today,
Ryan.
Denise. And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. We'll see you soon.